My name's Emma Skinner and I'm studying economics. I love the fact that it's so relevant. I read the news and I can replicate what I've learned in lessons to what is on the news, and the lecturers are clearly happy to teach and are really, they really know their stuff. So you feel like you're getting a proper learning experience. You actually feel like you're being taught and you're learning. From the actual course side of view, there was a lot of positivity in terms of high teaching grades, and all of that was really important to me on my checklist of a university. Swansea's great. Coming from an area where I was next to an airport, going to a city where there is absolutely everything from natural beauty, stunning beaches and beautiful parks, and also having a great nightlife that's all in one place. Student community here, and everyone's really happy and friendly. And just do some research as well. Look at reviews online and you'll see that it's a great place.